To apply for permits and licenses online, you will need to be logged in. For this demonstration, I'm using the Caroline County, Maryland website, but the website you're using should feature the name of the county or city that you work with. I can tell that I'm logged in because the screen says, "Hello, Jen Cecil," and also gives me the option to log off. I'm going to apply for a new building permit as an example. I begin my application by clicking on the link that says New Building. I'm given a warning screen about additional documents that I may need to have ready to submit. I'm going to click Continue. The first thing you'll be prompted to provide is your location. This is the location where the permitted activity will occur. To choose a location, click on the Choose Location button. In the window that pops out, enter the address where you will be performing the work. For this example, I'm applying at 23948 Holsinger Lane. I enter the address and click Continue. That address is verified against the database's GIS records to confirm that it is a correct address in this jurisdiction. I will now choose this location. I'm given the opportunity to enter any suite or unit numbers that may be pertinent. Since this is a new building permit and I'm going to be building a single family home in this example, I'm going to leave the line blank and click Continue. Next, I will provide the type of land use that I'm proposing. For this example, I'm choosing a single family detached. I'm then asked for a description. Since there are so many parts of new construction, I'm only going to give a brief overview. My description will be to construct a 1,200 square foot, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home, single family home as per plans. Since this is new construction, I will need to upload plans. I'm then going to be asked a set of screening questions to make sure that I provide all the relevant details for this project. My single family home will have a garage, so I click yes. It will also have a fireplace. This is not a replacement home, and in this scenario, I am proposing that I, as the owner, perform the work. I'm asked several more questions about the location that I'm building in, including floodplain information. This information varies based on your jurisdiction. I'm going to enter a few required fields in order to proceed with the application and click Continue. The page will now load with more fields that are required based on my answers to these screening questions. As you can see, there's a much longer list of information now appearing. I have the opportunity to add contractors by entering their name, type, and clicking search. I can also provide additional information that's required by each municipality, including the occupancy group, construction material, and dwelling units. Please note that any field with a red asterisk must be completed. Once you've completed all fields, you can then upload documents by choosing to attach a file and selecting a file from any of the file locations your computer has access to. If you reach a point where you have information being requested of you that you are not certain of, you can save this permit application and return to it later. If you are able to complete all of the information on the application, then you can review and submit the application. Here you see I have left several fields blank, and this has resulted in a list of error messages. I will now demonstrate how to save the application by clicking the Save button. If I were to log out, I could return to this information by logging back in and going to my account and clicking on My Items. Here you will see that the permit that I began is saved, and I can go back and edit it. Now I could return and complete all of those fields. The final step to submit your application after you've completed all of the required fields and uploaded all of the materials required is to submit the application. This will create a pop-out screen where you will be asked to confirm that you have provided correct information and to provide a digital signature, which you will do by typing your name in, and the computer will save the time, date, and IP address that you're using. You will also receive a confirmation email once your application has been submitted. You can return to your application at any time by using the Your Account link at the top and choosing Your Items.